vegan formula, right? None of the tars, none of the junk that you normally get with the other formulas where they're full of toxins. This is paraben-free, phthalate-free, but you're getting rid of the phthalates as well as the parabens. And then the other thing is that you're also able to take a look with the mascaras. You're actually extending your lashes and you're getting volume and lash extension. I would say lash extension by almost 50%, because as you can see, the lashes just look so much longer than they were before. Let us know if you have any questions. I'm currently wearing, if you're looking at lip colors, I'm wearing our Satisfy blush on my lips. And then what I did was I lined them. Style Seeker, thanks for joining, love the name. I lined my lips with the Cocoa Bronze, and then what I did was I put our lip oils on, right? And so let us know if you are interested in talking about any product, if you have any questions. Our lip oils are full of jojoba oil. They're very nourishing. You're not going to need to apply it all the time, and you probably won't need any lip balm with it. Now, if you're just looking for a lip balm, of course we have our lip balm on steroids. We call this our lip conditioner. It's full of vitamin C and castor oil. Some customers use it under their eyes as a hack. I have 2 customers that tried it, and so once we tell people, there's more that do it, and they're seeing bags reduced with overnight. Another product that we have that's a good overnight product is our sleep mask. If you have dry skin, rough skin, if you have skin that you're looking to smooth out, or fine lines or wrinkles, this guy is a sleeper hit. Why? Because overnight you'll see results. This you could use 2 or 3 times a week, and it's so easy. All you do is just do 1 drop, right? It smells like lavender, and so it's so nourishing and calming. You use that 1 drop, and then you put it all over your face, and 1 drop will do your entire face and neck. I'm rubbing it in, guys, and as you can see, it does everything. This has niacinamide in it. It's vegan, right? It's also cleaner beauty. We scrub our products against a list of 500 known toxic ingredients, and so you're eliminating a lot of toxins. Paraben-free, no phthalates, right? It's very important because, as we talked about, the skin is the largest organ, and a lot of times we're not thinking about it because we're so busy and you're putting things on and you're slathering things on for moisture. And moisture is a balance. It's a balance of how much water you drink, and then you're getting water from your fruits and vegetables. But then it also matters. Happy monsoon. Isn't that the cutest? Thanks for joining. Thanks for saying hello. Make sure you give out a shout. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you're feeding the skin nutrients and you're feeding the skin vitamins. And so, hi there, Style Seeker. Thanks so much. You want to make sure that you're doing all these things, and the sleep mask is doing that. It does it overnight with just 1 drop, and it smells delicious. And it's proven that lavender helps people to relax and can help with very restful sleep. And so this guy is a sleeper hit overnight. Just like you can use the lip conditioner under your eyes for bags overnight. The other thing, all of our other products are just one and done, meaning that you can use 1 or 2 drops like our bronzer tint. I'm just applying the sleep mask on. I kind of don't want to wipe it off because it smells so good. And it's skincare, so I can kind of leave it on my hands there. Okay, let us know what you guys want to take a look at. We're always taking a look at our Beauty in the City glitter sticks. These are really fun. As I said the other day, one of our customers told me, she was like, oh, because I always tell people you'll just need like 1 glitter stick in a lifetime. She was like, no, I'm on my 2nd glitter stick because I look really cute in the summer. And I put it all over my body. I put it on my neck. I put it on my, I put it on my chest. I put it on my arms, right? And so this is our silverish glitter stick. Let me buff that out for you guys to see, right? And so it's a little easier to see here, and you get just fine sparkles. You can apply some here as well. Sometimes I use it a little bit right there on the brow bone, and so that's almost like an everyday. I can quickly like make my look really snatched. And then you can highlight, and I would just put a small amount because, as you can see, it buffs out. And so when you're using it as a highlight, you don't necessarily want a lot of glitter. You want a little more just the shimmer of it for the highlight. This is in silver, and then we also have a gold called Millennium. And so our customer was saying how she's looking so cute in the summer, putting this on her face and body. Because normally this will last, especially if you use it mostly on your face, this will last you. The stick And these sticks are some of our samplers and they go far. And so why use ours? They're vegan. They actually have castor oil in them. A lot of our products, the formulations have some real nutrients in them. Then we scrub our products against a list of 500 known toxic ingredients. But more importantly, you want to, if this is a good swatch. It's gold right here, but you can see just right on my hand the iridescence of it. And so this gives a lot of options. Alright guys, this was great. Where would you use the Face and Body Shimmer? You can use it in all the places you would highlight on the skin. And so I would say your brow bone, you could use it right here in the highlight, right? The Cupid's bow, you could highlight right there, right? And so, and you see it a little bit. Then you could also do your neck, your legs, your arms. It's getting warmer, and so we have a lot of places. And sometimes you can just, I already have a little shimmer because I used our bronzer tint, but I also used our super fuchsia on my lids. But you could even take it up a notch. Like I might just go on the super fuchsia side since that's more matte and put a little bit of the glitter stick there. And then of course you can also use it on the lips. And so it has a lot of multi-purpose, right, areas that you can use these products.